All right, I'm here. Happy Wednesday. I'm actually trying to be productive. I had like 35 seconds to lay down and take a break, so I feel semi rejuvenated off of that. Today, I want to try to get to the point on the project I want to work on for this stream. So, my goal today is actually setting up Claude Code. I am at a point where it's just kind of ridiculous that I haven't used it yet. So, I'm going to focus on that. We'll see how far I get in the process. I didn't really like prep or anything like that. I'm just going in as pretty much blind um, for some level setting. Obviously, if you don't know, I do have like a lot of experience working with AI tools and coding and everything like that. So um, I don't think I should have an issue getting it set up. I'm more so interested today in figuring out like how can my personal workflow be benefited by using Claude Code, because I already have like an existing AI coding workflow that I do. Um, I have like my preferred models that I work with. I right now I'm kind of in a state where either I'm using like a lovable or like ChatGPT, Claude chat in order to generate things and then kind of transferring those over, or sometimes I do take builds. I might take like a scope of work and like wireframes that I get from a chat tool, and then I bring that to my IDE, and then I use VS Code Copilot in order to do all of my coding workflow. So, that being said, yeah, I feel like Claude Code is like in the middle. So I've also set up Claude Bot recently, which obviously they're not the same product necessarily, but just the idea of agentic coding. So that's my focus right now. Here comes Justice. I don't know how participatory you want to be, but I have to get work done, Bubba. So you either gotta sit here and participate, or you need to go back and take your nap, like I told you. Okay, well go sit in your chair. All right. So let's try to just get as much done as I can today. Actually, I don't want to move that. I want this like all the way in my face, but I also want to be able to hit my keyboard. Okay, so let's go for. I'm gonna share this other screen. However, you know what? Before I share any screens, let me just close windows that I don't need. Close the window. I don't even know what all this stuff is. Close it. I could bring it back later. I don't know what none of this is. I can bring it back later. Okay. Because I do have I have a job running on my computer too. Yep, you got your chair. Don't knock my cup over. Yep, I see. Work on your cars. So he got his own little setup. So hopefully I can get something done productive. All right. I'm scared. I really don't want to stop this job that's running on my computer, so I'm just gonna try to leave it on for now. Also, I got my camera back set up, so I feel like this is a lot nicer to look at. Boom, boom, boom. Let's kill camera. Cause why? Okay, so I'm gonna go with this window. Bring this over here. And we are moving to this right here. And throw up a case open claw. Sure. Okay. Hi there. How are you? Pause this. you to go sit down though. Sit in your chair. I think he think that this person is on the call right now. But okay. So we're gonna be looking at Claude Code. I'm gonna try to get as far along in this setup process and like experiment with some things as much as I can today. And then wherever I leave off is where I leave off. I also just saw this like right before I started the stream where Y Combinator team just it's like a newer interview with the Claude Code creator. So I might listen to that in the background. We'll see. But yeah, I'm starting here, which is the Claude Code overview. Um, I should be able to set a bunch of this stuff up. Get off of that box. Get off of that box. Yeah, now the car is in the box. Get out of that box. Thank you. Anywho. Alright, so we're gonna get out of studio mode. Okie dokie. So I kinda wanna see myself. So let's put this right here so I can see what's going on while we stream. Okay. Let's see. Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that reads your code base, edits files, run commands, and integrates with your development tools. Available in your terminal, IDE, desktop app, and browser. Claude Code is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps you build features, fix bugs, and automate development tasks. First of all, why are all these? I want to be able to see this one. Hold on, that's annoying. I just need to be able to see my audio levels. Okay. I feel like I could turn my mic up soon. All right. So, yeah, Claude Code is an AI-powered coding assistant that helps you build features, fix bugs, and automate development tasks. It understands your entire code base and can work across multiple files and tools to get things done. Choose your environment to get started. Most surfaces require a Claude subscription. Services? What do that mean, services? Or Anthropic console account. The terminal CLI and VS Code also support third-party providers. Let me see. I want to put this back too. Hold on. The boy is goofy. We'll put this in here. Hey, I'm doing good. How's it going? Let me see. I put the chat on the screen so y'all can actually see who I'll be talking to. Let's see. Okay. Environment. So, I guess I'll probably. I don't know. I mean, I'll definitely want to use this in VS Code at some point, but I think I want to go with the terminal install this time because I already have like IDE integrations. I already use Copilot, so I'm trying to see if getting outside of that might actually be a little bit more productive for me. So that's the goal anyway. Okay, so for Mac OS, we can curl the install and then start Claude Code in any project. Ooh. You'll be prompted to log in. Continue with the quick start. Some things that we can do. Automate the work you keep. Don't you dare talk to me like that. Automate the work you keep putting off. That's literally what I need in my life right now. I just need a little bit more AI assistance in my actual day-to-day work, which the automation aspects of it, I feel like I haven't been able to trust some of the tools I used in the past, but we're definitely there at this point. Yeah, you obviously I'm not too nervous, I guess. That's funny. I should be a little more nervous, but at this point I just need help. So I'm gonna try to take it slow. I did set up Claude. I set up Claude bot. Wait, what is it called now? Open Claude. I set up Open Claude like the week before last. I just haven't been using it as much. I don't know. I like the aspect of it. I feel like I can build on that, but I would much rather use some more production ready tools, which is kind of what I view Claude Code in that category. So at least you get to watch me be a guinea pig, I guess. Okay, so automate the work you keep putting off, such as Claude handles the tedious tasks that eat up your day, writing tests for untested code, fixing lint errors, resolving merge conflicts, updating dependencies, and writing release notes. Build features and fix bugs, describe what you want in plain language. Claude Code plans the approach, writes the code, and verifies it works. Create commits and pull requests. Hey, play with those down there. Play with them down here. Yeah, because that's going to drive me crazy in my ear. Here, play with them down here. Yep, put your cars on the floor and play with them down there. Play with your cars down here. Get your cars. Bring them down here. Get your cars. Matter of fact, you want your tablet? It's just better if I can know that he's taking care of. It's coming on. It's coming on. Okay. In CI, you can automate code review and issue triage with GitHub Actions or GitLab. Connect your tools with MCP. Also, MCP is like super on our backlog right now. So, um, that's something I'm interested in too. I think it will make the process a lot more consistent and more high quality results using the MCP servers for some of the tools anyway. Um, Claude.md is a markdown file you add to your project. Justice, go play with that out there. Take it out there. Give me that car. And go play with it in the other room. Go drive it around out there. Give it here then. Like, how am I supposed to be productive? Now take it out there, or I'm gonna turn it off. Here, take it with you. Jesus. Okay, maybe I might actually get something done now. Okay, so Claude, well, customize with instruction, skills, and hooks. That's what it is. So Claude.md is where, oh, this is where at the start of every session. Use it to set coding standards, architecture decisions, preferred libraries, and review checklists. Create custom slash commands to package repeatable workflows your team can share. So slash review PR slash deploy staging. Okay, cool. And then hooks let you run shell commands before or after Claude Code actions, like auto formatting every file edit or running lint before commit. Run agent teams and build custom agents. Spawn multiple Claude Code agents that work on different parts of a task simultaneously. A lead agent coordinates the work, assigns subtasks, and merges results. For custom workflows, the Agent SDK lets you build your own agents powered by Claude Code's tools and capabilities with full control over orchestration, tool access, and permissions. You want some cookies? You gonna take them in your room to eat them? No, go eat them at your table. Here, take them with you. Yep, in the room. Don't drop them. Take them, sit. Take them in the room. Don't drop them. Don't drop. Pick them up. The funniest thing in my life is the number of times that people say, "Oh, you work from home, so like, why do you need a babysitter?" That's the stupidest thing I ever heard in my life. Um, okay, so Claude Code is, I don't know. I think Claude Code is free-ish, but a lot of stuff that you want to do is gonna require you to have a subscription. I have a subscription to Claude, so hopefully I'm gonna be able to just lean on the subscription I already have to Claude in order to use Claude Code, which I'm pretty sure that's the case. Claude pricing. I think the tier Claude pricing. That's funny that ChatGPT Codex is ranking over this. They got this plastic right across the top. Okay. This is not what I was looking for. I don't want to look at the models. I want to look at. That's the wrong pricing chart. I'm signed in, so that's gonna take me straight to my. I'm pretty sure that these are tied together. Here we go. So I'm on the pro plan, which includes Claude Code and Cowork. Oh, we need to try Cowork too. Um, so yeah, I guess with Claude Code, you want to be on the pro plan for Claude, which I should be on pro. All right. What else? Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. We'll go to the quick start next. I just kind of want to browse through. So, MCP. Okay, Claude.md. That's our instructions. We got hooks. I hope that running agents is relatively straightforward. That's what I want to focus on. For fully custom workflows, the agent SDK lets you build your own agents. Okay. Pipe, script, and automate with the CLI. Claude Code is composable and follows the Unix philosophy. Pipe logs into it, run it in CI, or chain it with other tools. Okay, so that's good to know. So like this is tailing this app.log file, so that'll be the output, but then it's piping that into Claude, and then slack me if you see any anomalies. So this lets Claude view the active tail. It'll all the output from this file will be piped into Claude, so it can keep track. So that's interesting. That's super good to know. Um, like literally, I have a job running right now on my computer for a client project, and it requires me to actively follow the tail. Like I feel like the agent inside of VS Code is not good at that type of work. So I still keep the tail open and running, and then I keep track of it. Oh, also the notify me part. Okay. Okay. Automate translations. Translate new strings into French and raise a PR for review. Uh, Can you turn it down some? Or take it in your room? I'll take it with you, baby. Bulk operations across files, get diff main, dash dash name only, Claude dash P, review these change files for security. Okay. So whatever outputs you get from this, pipe that to Claude, and this is the specific request. So that's nice. That's easy. Boy, why would you get away from me? Dang. Just sock me in my arm for no reason. Okay. Work from anywhere. Hey, go sit down. You ready to go to bed? Hey, girl. He didn't say. She didn't say that. Uh, I don't know what you're saying. What? Say it again. Circular. Corazon. Oh, my baby learning Spanish. Lord. Corazon. Chilean. 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 Do you want to participate? You got about 60 more seconds. Okay, bye. See you later. Night night. And why is my camera choppy? All right. You ready to go? You want to take a nap? Then go play, baby. You forgot about this. Hmm? Look. All right, don't turn it up too loud. Okay, mommy. Okay, mommy. Okay, this is the last part. Work from anywhere. Sessions aren't tied to a single surface. Move work between environments as your context changes. Kick off a long running task on the web or iOS app. See that part? Hold on. We got an app. Wait, is it just gonna be in the Claude app? Hand off a terminal session to the desktop app with slash desktop. Oh, slash teleport. Slash teleport. Kick off a long running task on the web or iOS app. Then pull it. Okay, pull it into your terminal with teleport. And then hand off to the desktop app slash desktop. Route tasks from team chat, mention at Claude in Slack with a bug report, and get a pull request back. Beautiful. I want something that's like a little bit more already like baked, and I can just throw the ingredients in and then, just use it as is versus me having to configure every single thing. That's my preference for right now. Okay. Each surface connects to the same underlying Claude Code engine, so your Claude.md file settings and MCP servers work across all of them. Beyond the terminal, VS Code, JetBrains desktop, and web environments above, Claude Code integrates with CI/CD, chat, and browser workflows. So maybe I'm definitely going for the VS Code integration once I figure out the terminal install. Okay, so I want to start a task locally and continue on web. Okay, I want to start a task locally and continue on mobile, then use web or the Claude iOS app. Automate PR reviews and issue triage, GitHub Actions or GitLab CI/CD. What? Route bug reports from Slack to pull requests. Slack. Debug live web applications. Chrome. Build custom agents for your own workflows. Agent SDK. All right. Once you've installed Claude Code, these guides help you go deeper. So we got the quick start, walk through your first real task, from exploring a code base to committing a fix. We can definitely use this right now on I have some changes I need to make for the Detroit Hacker House website, and they are things that, relatively speaking, AI should be able to like do this. So I can do that. Level up with best practices and common workflows. Settings, customize Claude Code for your workflow. Stop it. Settings, customize Claude Code for your workflow, troubleshooting solutions for common issues. Code.claude.com is demos, pricing, and product details. Okay. So this is the actual product page for Claude Code. So we got our curl command, which I'm going to do shortly. Bye-bye, baby. So Claude Code is included in your Pro plan, perfect for short coding sprints and small code bases, with access to both Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.6. Claude Code is max 5x and then max 20x. I would love to actually need $100, $200 versions of Claude, but at the moment we're gonna stick with Pro and see how much value it could bring. All right, so we got code onboarding, issues into PRs, powerful edits, triage issues. And I really want to do a big code refactor for one of my client projects too, so I'm going to try that. All right, so let's go to the install. Boom, 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 boom. Does the quick start with the install or yeah? Okay, perfect. Terminal. Matter of fact, hold on, I can't see what I'm doing no more. There we go. There we go. That's the project we did last time. How about this? How about I want it to be semi like follow alongable. Okay. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Can you? Okay, that's better. All right, so we have our terminal. I have a project to work with, which is going to be the Detroit Hacker House website for right now, and I have a pro subscription. All right, so I have a little bit less than an hour and a half because I have a interview that I need to do at 5. Yeah. So I feel like that should be plenty of time. Um, oh, I can homebrew, but they say native install is recommended. So let's just do the Linux I mean the excuse me, the native install. Dang it, that's not what I want you to do. Okay. How is Claude? I literally just did the install, so we about to see. Um, the documentation sounds amazing though. Sounds like it's gonna change my life. It better fucking change my life, okay? I need AI to change my life. Ugh. By change, I mean drastically improve my overall productivity. I'm doing good though. I was feeling like way trashier earlier. I feel decent now because I just kind of laid down on the bed for like 15 minutes before I got on stream, but I'm tired. I can't even lie. Hence me not having to stream on Friday or Monday because I've been cleaning up my house. Y'all can see, you can't see the rest of my office, but you can see this part. Y'all can see the set again. And I lost track of this phone that I was using for this camera. So I finally got my camera back. So we're semi back to functioning. So that should make it easier to get on and off stream. So yeah, I'm doing pretty decent. But how's it going for y'all? Let me see. I need to check in the WhatsApp how everybody's doing with their content goals. Okay. Um Boom. So we got Claude Code. Run Claude dash dash help to get started. Native installation exists, but home.local bin is not in your path. Run echo export path. Da, 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 da. Okay, so let's add this to our, because if I try to do Claude dash dash help, right? So I'm gonna run this command. Then what are you doing? You ready to go take a nap? Here's Goofy Boy. He has his own chair now. It's the old chair, so he got plenty of space. It's nice. Okay. Yep. So that's just a little tip. When you do install new command line tools, you have to. Hey. Usually, you have to make sure that you um, run this like export, so that way the new install scripts that you set up are actually accessible. So anyways, now I can run Claude dash dash help. So here's all the information. Claude Code starts an interactive session by default. Use dash P or dash dash print for non-interactive interactive output. I want to be nosy so bad. I can see people going past the door right in the front, but I can't see. I can't see out this window because I didn't put that window on, or I didn't open the blinds over there. All right. Show. All right, we got this far. Boom. So let's go back here. And for now, I'm going to try to just do this type of thing. Okay, so that was pretty straightforward. Now I need to log into my account. Claude requires an account to use when you start an interactive session. So I can run Claude and then it will let me log in. And then slash login, follow the prompts to log in with your account. Okay. So yeah, you do need to log in with a Pro, Max, or Team. Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. They also support Claude Console. And then this is more so for enterprise providers. Stop it. If you have access to Claude that way. You won't need to log in again to switch accounts later. Use the login command. So let's go Claude. It's so cute. I like cute stuff. Oh, it's so cute. Hey, stop yelling. You want me to take that? You want to go take a nap. Go take a nap. Yes. Jeez Louise. Okay. Choose the text style that works best with your terminal. Light mode. So dark mode, light mode, dark mode, colorblind, light mode, colorblind, ANSI colors only. I want this. So it's funny because my terminal is in dark mode, I'm gonna put Claude in light mode for now. I'm gonna log in with a subscription. So it should be able to just automatically sync because I'm already logged in on this browser. Boom. So he's done with that, right? Press enter to continue. Get rid of this. Okay. Security notes. Claude can make mistakes. You should always review Claude's responses, especially when running code. Due to prompt injection risks, only use it with code you trust. For more details, see code.claude.com/doc/en/security. Use Claude Code's terminal setup ? For the optimal coding experience, enable the recommended settings for your terminal. Option enter for new lines and visual bell. Yeah, sure. Option enter? What the F even is option on this other keyboard though? All right, well, I don't have an option key on this keyboard, but I do have option key on my MacBook keyboard. Okay. Quick safety checks. Is this a project you created or one you trust? Like your own code, a well-known open source project, or work from your team? If not, take a moment to review what's in the folder first. Claude Code will be able to read, edit, and execute files here. Yes. Wait, I don't want to be in this folder though. I should have started it in another folder. I trust this folder. This is my folder. I kind of want to like abort mission. Can I just control C? Control C. Damn it. Oh, it's so cute. This shit's so cute. Like I really want to start building some CLI tools like with little art. Little, I don't know. It's just such a cute aesthetic for me. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. Stop. Where's my website? Okay. Can you redesign the website theme so it matches? So it like cute. CLI. We just about to see something real quick. Little side note, little side note, little side note. I just want to see if I can get my web page to look like a CLI design. Cause this is my this the one I showed y'all before. Claude did. Let's see, Finder. Let me put this over here for a second. Downloads, files. I be going on side missions, yes. Welcome to the stream. So this is what the current one looks like. So this is the main page. Hold on, I can't see. This is currently the main page. Boom, let me make it a little bit smaller. Which is cute. And then my portfolio, I'll show you the different pages. This one is for joining Discord. I'm gonna like enable subscriptions in Discord, so I think like I have information for that. This is for people that want to join courses with me. This is actually going to go to a different platform, but all the courses, you'll be able to see all the courses listed here. This is the blog. It has filters. This is going to be integrated with what's it called? Dang, what's it called? Is it what's it called? What is the dang on blog stack? What's it called? Pub something. I'm making this up. Not Pub Stack. What's the damn blog platform? Substack. Substack. Am I do? I'm like, do I know Pubstack? Do I actually know this like as a tool or something? But anyways. Okay, so anyways, this is integrated with Substack. And then here's the live stream page. This page, oh yeah, it does like this whenever I'm live. It shows you that I'm live. Technical portfolio. So this is for actual like projects, so people can see samples of things I've done. And then this is like membership stuff. So, and then this is my resume that I wanted my resume like plotted on the timeline like this. So that's what that is. So that's the current version. So this is what I'm asking it to redesign basically. I just want to see what it comes up with. Because why not? Because with AI, you could just throw stuff at it and just see. Let's see if it gives me something. Oh, that's so damn cute. That's not how my name's spelled, but that's so cute. Oh, this is what we want right here. This is what we want right here. Yes. Okay, this gonna be the new site. This is so good, right? Hold on, I'm about to let me do it like this so I can see the whole little workflow. I literally love this so much that like this is the best thing I ever seen. This will be the best site I ever had, like visually. Beautiful, beautiful. Yay. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna put that up at some point. I don't know if it's gonna be today, but it has to be done before Friday. Um, that looks great. Wait, let me see what it said. Terminal windows, three separate windows: the main identity window, the navigation window, the social links window, the terminal UI theme, the color scheme, animations, responsive design, what it looks like. Yes, apply this to all the boom. Yes, please let us know if Claude changes your life. It will. It will. I believe. Look at this. Like this how Claude, like this why I love Claude in particular. And this is not even Claude Code. This is obviously just the actual Claude, but look how cute that is. Like I'm putting this up immediately, okay? And this is in comparison to the other project, the other file. I did like this one. This theme, this is a nice theme, but I feel like it's a common like it's just kind of, I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit common compared to this. Oh no, now my ASCII art is off like a little bit, but okay. So it redid that. It's like slightly off, but it's gonna be okay. I could fix that, or Claude can fix that. And then I'm gonna have. Oh, this is about to be so cute. And then I like the status part. I like the status part a lot. I want to see what it does with the rest of the pages. This is navigation right here. Okay, so we're gonna let that, and again, I'm gonna let that marinate right there while it finishes up the pages. We are boom, boom. Where we at with this process? So I already logged in the Claude. What I want to do is go back and try to run this again. Let's go into a folder first because I was in my home directory still. So I'm gonna go into my repos folder. Let's go to Detroit Hacker House. Mm, it must be under Detroit Black Tech first. Yeah. Okay. Wait, get status. I'm still on the rebrand branch. Get checkout. Main. Guess. Oh, I can GST over here. Get pull. Boom. Okay. So let's clear this now. Now let's run Claude. Yes, I trust this folder. Okay. Tips for getting started. Run/init to create a claude.md file with instructions for Claude. And then this is where we can just prompt it what to do. So /init. Oh, ooh. Okay, so slash add a new working directory, agent /init. Initialize a new Claude MD file. Yep. Okay. This is what I love about production ready like AI tools. especially ones that are built by developers, like for developers. Cause I don't got time to just be sitting around trying to configure a thousand things and building everything from scratch. Like I definitely have the desire and like I have goals around building agents and stuff like that. But it's like, bro, I got so many things going on. I need some. I In order to free me up to do more involved work, I need some level of like polish in the workflow that I already have. I need some things like kind of off my plate. That way I can actually focus more on like more involved builds. Let's see. Okay, so what am I looking at? So we got the command I ran. Explore the code base structure. Waiting dash C or dash C. That's the repository. Log dash one line dash 20. Looks at the remotes. Plus two plus 42 more tool uses. Control O to expand. Ooh, yes, okay. I like to see the thinking. I don't know. Sometimes you can't watch it in real time, but I do like to see some of the thinking. So you can know where the like how the model works, and then you can also see where it goes wrong sometimes too. Explore code base structure. Analyze this code base. Add this directory. Provide the overall project structure, top level directories, and key files. What kind of project this is, frameworks, languages, etc. Package.json or equivalent build dependency files for all scripts. Any configuration files. README content if it exists. Any existing Claude.md. Any existing Claude.md or GitHub Copilot instructions or cursor rules. Key source directories and their purposes, how the app is structured, pages, components, etc. Any environment variables or examples. Be thorough, read the main config files, and readme. So this is the prompt that was given when I did this slash init. Analyze this code base here. So looked at all those files. All right, so I can just control O again to toggle that back down. Do you want to proceed? Yes, and don't ask for similar commands. Yes. Why is it flashing? Is that me? Is that like it's trying to let me know it's ready? Escape to cancel, tab to amend. Press the digitating. Press the digitating. Y'all know I be looking up stuff because I thought that I thought that when I saw AI say glass morphism, I thought that was made up and it wasn't. So now I just be looking these words up. What's up? What? What are you trying to do? You want me to pick you up? You want to sit up here? Goofy. Here. Okay, sit back. Stop. All right, you cozy? Don't get to acting goofy. You are. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Press the digitate. Hold on. Dang it, where did it go? I gotta look that word up again. It said press the digitation. The art of sleight of hand magic involving skillful, quick fingered, manual dexterity to perform tricks, illusions, and deceptions. That's funny. Because why is that? Why is that a thing? Okay, so now today we learned prestidigitation. Boom, boom, boom. So it created me a file. Yes, created. Okay, boo boo. Commit the. Hey, I usually don't commit before I run a file. Let's see, what options do I have though? Hold on, let me see something. Can I arrow down? Yep, beautiful. Oh, you know what? F. Okay, preview, review. Okay, yeah, so most of this. I don't know why I clicked on this. Where's the repos folder? How come my So literally the only thing that should have changed is I have a Claude.md. It's just always good to check your work. I would not commit something before I see that everything's running. So this is the code base for the existing website. What I needed to do is I'm gonna need it to add a couple new pages here under the upcoming events. I needed so what I've been doing is I will manually I will make a new panel for all these past events. Like these two events up here, they need to be migrated into the past events, and then upcoming events need to be added. So it's a lot of copy paste and then just edit, do some basic edits, but it takes time. So that's the thing I think I'm gonna experiment with because that's something I have to get done anyway. Boom, boom, boom. Oh wait, back out of that. Commit this. This co-authored part is interesting. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's fine, but I don't think every commit message needs that. But hey, maybe that's just me. Trying to bring my charger. All right, so that doesn't Do you want to continue? Yeah, push the origin. Okay. Use theme to change the color theme. Got you. Update the navigation on the media page. Question mark. Exclamation for bash mode. Forward for commands. At for file paths. Ampersand for background. Escape. What did it say? Theme. But it's not that many themes, so. Okay, so now let me go back to the quick start. All right, so we did run Claude. We did a login. We went into our project. We ran Claude. You can ask a question. Okay, yeah, what can you do? How about this? Can you help me update the events page? There are new events. Send messages to Claude while it works to steer Claude in real time. Okay, so it caught this one file that I'm not even really using right now, but maybe I should. Control O. It read, oh, yep, it read events.html and events.md. What are the new upcoming events to add? Are those the ones or are there others? Startup 101, different events. I'll describe them, both events.md plus more. Type something. If I start typing, okay. Let's chat about this. Let me just see what it does. I feel like I have to I don't want to be over prescribing. Run install GitHub app to include Claude Write from your GitHub issues and PRs. So basically, if you look at this page, literally all the details you need are pretty much here. I want new panels added for the past events. Let's see. Oh, okay. I could just see it like this. I'll move Winterfest and Warrior AI Build-a-thon entries into past grid. Add a placeholder to the now empty upcoming event section. Do you want to make this edit? So, um, no, I don't. Boom, that's what I want you to do. It says, got it. I'll leave the upcoming event section completely untouched and just add the two events as new cards at the top of the past events grid. Perfect. So, why is this showing? Oh, okay. So this is past events, right? So I'm gonna say yes to this, and let's look at it in the browser before we fully accept it. Okay. So now I should get two new. I wonder what it used for images too. I should get two. Well, it should possibly use the images that we had for those. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Beautiful. And then I didn't have any students, like how many attendees or whatever for it to pull based off of, but that's okay. That's beautiful. That's exactly what I need. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is Finder. Let's open this. Damn. Oh, he's right here. Let's open this. Where's it gonna open? Okay. Because this can be used for events. But you know what? This is way more long and drawn out. I don't want to use this right now. That's from the old website, but on the old website, the events looks like this. Wait. It was a lot more details, basically. When you looked at the events on here, we had like bullet points for each and a description and everything like that. So I just need, for the upcoming events, I just need the date and a brief description. I need the location. Okay, so let me just ask Claude. Commit this. Because that looks good as far as I can tell. I'm not gonna push it because that's gonna push it live. Yes. Justice, what are you doing? Go sit down. Next. Okay, let's see. Before we push, let's update the upcoming events. What details do you need to Name and event type. All right, so the next one is a warrior AI. Why the fuck would I write September? What's wrong with me? February 27th. I think it's the same as Baby's Code outside. Oh, damn, but I don't have that link in there anymore. Brutal. Okay, let me get the link. This is somewhere already though. Let me see. Instagram. Okay, Town Hall. 6 to 7. Save. This boy. Hey. You hurt yourself? You got a pee pee? No, you don't. I'm just saying that. Here, come on. Chill out. Mm-mm-mm. I was trying to. Oh, here it is. Bit.ly. That's the link right there. I made my life easy by just making one form. Bit.ly/DHH event RSVP. Um, image should we use? Is that image already inside of here? Um, is it my download? It's my downloads. Which image I want to use? What's up, Bubba? It's nighttime. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 sheep, says Pete. He's counting sheep because he's sleepy. Then Pete sees sheep. Look. Press this. Mm-hmm. Don't press the. Here, you take it. Good job. Okay, these images right here are legit. No, baby, not over here. You want me to turn it off? No. I can't hold this and type at the same time. Okay. Here's some pictures. So we'll use I won't hold on. I think I got one where let me see something. Dropbox. Hold on. I want one where I'm I think there's a picture of me like in front of the TV. How to find it? Hold on. Oh, let me see this one I just downloaded. Finder. What do you look like? I wish that light wasn't so bright. What if when it's tiny though? When it's tiny though, I think it's not gonna be that bad. Let's see. How big is this gonna be? What's the right width? Yeah, so the biggest it's gonna be is kind of like this. I wish that closet was closed. Let's try this one and see. IMG/_1723. You know what? Just copy this. Well, oh, they say I can drag and drop. Hold on. Let's try to find an image. Up. Okay. Did I give it everything? I think so. I have everything I need. No image was mentioned, so I'll reuse the build-a-thon. I added, oops. Yes, I want to use this image. Thought. Press up to edit cute messages. This is getting rid of the one that now comment out the build-a-thon slot since it's passed. Fine, that's fine. I think the goal is that I feel like I can trust the AI enough that I don't have to be doing all this, but right now I like to see the steps. Great photo. To use it on the site, I'll need the image as a file. 2 options: upload, save locally, drop the file into assets images. All right, I figured I was gonna have to do that anyway, so let's go Finder. Now if I give it, I guess at some point I'm gonna see about giving it more access to different parts of the file system, but for right now, can I duplicate and call it build-a-thon presentation, and then move this in here. Assets, images. Command C. I added the file to the assets folder. All right, so now let's go look at this. See how this looks. So these look fine. RSVP link works. Boom. Oh, I already have this. No, that says 2.7. Okay. That's gonna be a quick change on my side. What else is coming up that I want people to sign up for? Oh, I want people to sign up for spring break in the house. Right? Let me look at my calendar. I'm trying to get real work done, man. Program. No, wait. 20. Oh, March 7th, user testing. 16th through the 20th is gonna be spring break in the house. Okay. I thought I said 9 to 6, but maybe I didn't. I didn't know a card could be featured. Um, all right, so the next event is gonna be, let's say, user testing exchange. Saturday. This is a world. Um, this is gonna be Saturday, March 7th, 2026, from 11 to. I'm gonna say 3 for right now, just in case. Um, mm-mm. I don't know why I thought I could do that. That's not even a thing. Um, oops. Oh no. All right, so don't put that back. Because I can always change the, what you call it, RSVP to the same link as to the bit.ly link. Um, what image should we use for that one? Okay, let's use, what do I have in here? Downloads, document. Betray Hacker House. See how smart you are. The image I want to use. I want to use the build-a-thon troubleshooting. Use the build-a-thon image from assets. Let's see how this one goes. Excuse me. Where do you go? All right, I got 18 18 minutes left. Yes. Wait. March 7th. It used the right bit.ly link. Okay, sure. I'm not pushing. I'm gonna push these as soon as this is done because I'm pushing straight to main right now. So when I push to main, it's gonna automatically deploy. Event 2 placeholder. Let me verify the comment structure didn't get malformed. It does look a little malformed. There's a malformed comment on line 113. Let me fix it. Let's see. Okay, the last event is what did I say? Oh, commit this. Okay. So the last event is called I closed the window. Hold on. I really need some type of integration between this spreadsheet and adding events. Let me see. So March. That's in April. March. March 16th. So 3/16 through 3/20. Oh, tag. Mm. Mm-hmm. No, stop. Not right now. Now for the build-a-thon, they need to use the same link as the old build-a-thon, or let me know if you don't use the same image as me. I got another picture I want to use too. What was that? Hold on, those still open? Where's that other? Guess I closed it. Downloads. I think I want to use this one. Or this one actually. This should be the one for 1756. Duplicate this, call this build a working session. And then this one, already named that one and added that one. Then this is troubleshooting. This is working session. I forgot what this one is, but this one's already in there, right? Yeah, that's this one. Okay. So the image I want for spring break in the house might be this. Let's just use this one for now. 1756. I'll call this working session. This boy. It's a picture missing still. That's that one. That's that one. This one right here. All right, so for right now, did I do all of it? Yeah, I want to see if it's going to be able to figure out the link from before, because I don't know if we have it in the files anymore. So this is how the page looks right now. These go to the right links, because then the only other thing I need to do is add those two sessions onto is this the right form? Let me see. Oops. I like that it's proactively fixing itself. It's probably linting, possibly, to some degree. All three events are now on the page, ready to commit and push when you are. Okay, let's see how this looks. Little context, spring break week. Okay. Y'all not even seeing. How come you not seeing that? Hold on. There we go. So this is how the site looks so far. It got all these updated. I mean, realistically, I could have just basically fed it this events, and it will be able to do those. So happy about that. Spring break build retreat. Oh, I gotta put the open claw workshop on here. We did an open claw workshop too. Wait, did I never make it to the? I just realized the open claw workshop never made it to the website, huh? Okay. And I don't know if this is connected to the right. I hope this is connected to the right what you call it. Okay. I'm semi-pleased with this though. That's gonna take you to the build-a-thon application. So now all I have to do is update my applications with my dates. Okay, boom. So let's go back here. Commit and push. And then I have, let me see. So I use GitHub Pages for this website, and it's just static. What's Theo been working on? I like to see. Oh, Caroline. Just seeing what some of my old coworkers are up to. But yeah, so this website is here. This is using GitHub Pages. It's configured for GH Pages. So the main branch is actually the deploy branch. So sometimes I do push straight to main because it's not that big of a deal to me, and it's my website. Sometimes I want to move faster like that, but when I do bigger changes, I definitely do branches. So like the landing page, this is like old, because at one point we had a landing page. This Live Innovate Playhouse, that's when I first integrated that page. And then rebrands, that's when we put up this website. We replaced the archived. We replaced the archived site. You can still access it at this point, but I did all of these changes, like the big switch over from this website to the original. I did that on a branch too. So that's what that rebrand branch was. So since I just deployed this, actually it's probably already deployed now, but baby, oh, we gotta get on this other call. I probably already deployed this, but
No, it's a piece.
you can see the build success here. What are you doing? What do you want? Okay, I can't do it right now. I can do it in a minute.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, thank you. Boom, boom, boom. Actions. So this is where you can see the deploys. So this just deployed 47 second. Wait, no, that's 53 minutes ago. I did put. Oh, you know what? It didn't push yet. Hold on. It's asking me if I should push. But I say it didn't push yet. All right, let's see what it says. Can you show me? I didn't. I mean, I was trying to figure out if it was a way that I could do that, but okay. Boom. All right. So how do I exit? Exit. See ya. And yeah, now you can see the most recent deploy is pending right now. I can see it under actions. So you can see the entire build. And then as soon as these deploys are fast, so as soon as this is done, the page is gonna be updated here. So it's still yellow. So minimize that. Should be good to go now. So let's see. Yep, so now all of our new events are live on the website. Only other thing I have to do is go update my forms. And I made it to where my forms are just reusable. I just put new dates in. So that being said, I feel like semi pleased with what I've been doing with Claude so far. So I'll probably pick back up definitely by Friday. Well, I don't know. I won't be streaming on Friday because I have to judge for a venture capital competition on Friday. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out um I really want to get some agents going. I want to automate some of these tasks, so that's what I'm going to work on next. I don't know when my stream is going to be. Um, if I can get an evening streaming on Friday, then I will. But if not, I'll figure out. Maybe I'll do a Saturday stream after Black Boys Code or something like that. But I'm definitely going to stream at least one more time this week. So we'll see. The best thing you could do, honestly, if you want to know what I'm streaming, I always post it on Instagram. And I typically, well, I always go live on YouTube. I always go live on Twitch. So if you follow on there, then you'll see the notifications, obviously. But I hope everybody has a good rest of your week. Happy hump day. I'm glad I got a little bit of work done, but I'm definitely want to keep like configuring my tools. So hopefully by the time the end of the month comes, I really want to have a like strong, solid system where I can free myself up a little bit more to just focus on actually building, running my programs, and working on some of my own side projects as well. So I will see y'all in the next stream. Bye.